Myself, Bhupathiraja R. I am from Acharya Institute of Technology. So I started journey in Qspiders from May. Uh, I placed it in a good company in a good package. Uh, about Qspiders means Qspiders helped me a lot, and without Qspiders, I'm from non-IT, and from non-IT to getting a good package in a good company in IT field, it's not easy. It is impossible, but in Qspiders it makes possible by the help of Pradeep sir and then Shankar sir, Sunil sir, and Santosh sir helped me a lot to understand what are the programming languages in the coming to the ID. They helped me a lot. Uh, that's all about me. Thank you.